Okay, so here looks like a little bit like it might be a challenge to get through this space. The water's really coming up. This is the sea. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. This is the sea. Okay, lucky mother. Yeah, I think he has some stuff he doesn't want to get wet either, so. Made it. There we go. So there's some good water in there. Oh, right here they got some kind of rocky splash-inducing spot. Another resort. All resorts. It's a nice pleasant music coming out of this one. I like that. A lot of guys playing their trades, walking up and down the beach. But I think it's a little bit off season right now. More bars. I see very few tourists, but that would be great if there was a bunch of tourists everywhere. I guess it's light to carry, so maybe it's not so bad. Another beach resort. Definitely getting a taste of Koh Samui. Good to see all the resorts and got a lot of water coming up here. I think this one's going to be a big one. Oh, small. Alright. How cool that tree is. Okay. Some really cool root systems. Explore that. Look at that. These are the tires. I think these tires are for umbrellas. So they'll move those umbrellas out. Yeah, they are for umbrellas. So I guess maybe later the water will go out a little bit and they'll put those tires out there with umbrellas on them. And those umbrellas might have a little bit of a floating effect or grounding effect, one or the other. In case the water comes in, who knows? So that's where we're coming from. I'm gonna keep on walking through here. Another resort, same resort I guess, because they still have the same tires. This one's selling a lot of vendors. Walk through. Okay, Samui massage. Surfing. Haven't seen anybody surfing. I guess they do have some bricks out there. got a temple here. It's either a temple or it's a business that looks like a temple. Yeah, the surfer thing, I don't know much about surfing, so I just haven't seen anybody else with surfboards anywhere. Okay, let's see what this one is. This one is Dera Serene. It's a temple, kind of a little bit of a temple look. Okay, now we're gonna get up in a whole mess of stuff going on over here. Hello.
Something, yeah.
We're gonna start this one. There's a plane that's leaving right now. So there's planes that go in and out of the airport that's kind of above us. But we're gonna walk down this kind of busier street and busier part of the sand. Okay.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimento.